So we'll continue for the vector space of a problem of the vector space. Okay. So we have seen in the last lectures how to show that V is a vector space. So we have to apply for 10 axioms. So for any set of the vector which hold the 10 axioms, then that set is called a vector space. Okay. So I have given here. So this is the example. V is equal to x is a real number. So x is greater than 0. That means V is the set of all positive real numbers. That is R plus. Okay, and the operations are defined like this: x plus y. So you have to take the addition of x plus y. That means you have to take the product of the x. Okay, and if you multiply by x to k, so you have to take the power of that one. Okay, so now we have to show that V is a vector space. Okay, so first we'll see first criteria is what x plus y is equal to xy. X and y belongs to V, means x and y are positive. So product of two positive number is positive. So this is belongs to V. So x plus y belongs to V. Okay. The second one is what? K into x is equal to x to the power k. Okay. So now k, whatever the k may be, whatever the k may be. So what here then? Suppose k is negative. That means suppose this is minus 3 x now. So this is what? X to the power minus 3. This is 1 upon x to the power 3. Okay, now x is positive here. So that means what? Whatever the k may be the positive or k may be the negative, but power is always positive. Power is negative, base is positive, and whatever the power may be. So what? This is what? X to the power k. Well, if x is positive, whatever the power of k may be, it may be positive or may be negative. So this is always greater than 0. This is what? Always greater than 0. Therefore what? Kx belongs to V. So we may write here what? This is always greater than 0. This is always greater than 0. Therefore, x plus y belongs to V. Therefore, kx belongs to V. Okay. The second axiom is what here. Okay. So, third axiom. What? X plus y is equal to xy. This is same as yx. This is same as y plus x. This is same as y plus x. Third, fourth one. So, x plus y plus z. Y plus z. This is same as x into yz. This is same as xy into z. This is same as x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Okay. So fourth axiom is also put here. The fifth axiom. So you have to determine 0 now. You have to determine the 0 vector. Okay. So x is greater than 0 now. X is greater than 0. Okay. So 1 plus x is same as x now. 1 plus x is same as x. So that means what here? One is additive identity. One is additive identity. That means what? That is 0 bar is equal to 1. 0 bar is not 0 only, note that. Okay. So 0 vector. So your 0 vector is what? 1 here. So 1 is the 0 vector. 1 is the 0 vector. So 1 is the 0 vector. Okay. Now negative vector you have to define. Negative vector. Okay. So that means what? So what here? Since x is not equal to 0, so 1 by x belongs to V. 1 by x belongs to V. Because what? So x not equal to 0. 1 by x. See here. X is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. That means what here? 0 do not belongs to V. 0 do not belong to V. Or positive numbers are. 0 is not a positive. 0 is not a negative. Okay. So that means what? 1 by x belongs to V. So x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is what? X into 1 by x. This is 1. 1 is the additive identity. 1 is the additive identity. So therefore minus x is equal to 1 by x. So this is your negative element. Minus x is nothing but negative element. In minus x is 1 by x. So this is your negative element is exists, right? So this is belongs to V. This is belongs to V. Okay. So now this is a vector. Okay. So these are related to addition. These are related to addition or what. Now we go for the multiplication now. We go for the multiplication. Okay, so that is what k into x plus y. K into x plus y is same as what k into xy. X plus y is xy and k into xy. So this is what then xy to the power k now. This is x to the power k, y to the power k, right? X to the power k, and so product is nothing but what x to the power k plus y to the power k. So this is what kx plus ky. Kx plus ky. Okay, so we have multiplied by k here. See, this is very important. How you are applying the addition and the scalar multiplication. Okay, the next one. Next example what? K plus L x now. Your k plus L is the scalar in here. So I can write this as x to the power k plus L. So this is x to the power k, x to the power L now. This is x to the power L. And this is 7 what then? X to the power k plus x to the power L. So this is what? Kx Lx. Right? So Kx Lx. What we want to prove, that is very important. Right? Next, the last one, second last, k into Lx. So you have to prove this is what Lx. So this is what k into x to the power L. Right? And this is same as what then? X to the power L to the power k. This is nothing but x to the power Lk. That is what? Lkx. This is same as Lkx. And the last one, 1 into x. 1 into x. If x to the power 1 is same as x now. Is same as x. Okay. So from 1 to 10, 1 to 10, V is a vector space. V is a vector space. Okay. I hope that you understand this one. Okay. So if you remember these 10 exams, then this will be easy. Okay. So if I do this, second example I am taking, r plus is greater than or equal to 0 is there now. That means 0 is there. 0 is there. Okay. For any x, y belongs to, then V is not a vector space. Not, V is not, because 0 is there. Right? Because 0 has, since 0 has no negative element. 0 has no negative element, since 0 has no negative. So if it is greater than or equal to 0, then it is not a vector space. And if V is equal to R, now second example, if V is equal to R, for any x, y belongs to V, k belongs to R, define this operation, then V is not a vector space. If you define V is equal to R and operations are this, then V is not a vector space. Only greater than or only strictly greater than 0. For only the positive real number, and for these two operations, your V will be a vector space. So there are three problems on these operations. First one is what? First one we did is, this is what? R plus. It will be the vector space. If it is R, and this operation will not be the vector space. So this is R union, this is what? R plus union 0 also. R plus union 0. That means greater than or equal to 0. Then this is not a vector space. Okay. So for these two operations, there we have seen the three problems. One is the vector space and other two is not a vector space. We'll take a one important is what example. Okay, so V is equal to singleton 0 bar. V is the singleton 0 bar. Okay, if we define 0 bar plus 0 bar is equal to 0 bar, k into 0 bar is 0 bar, then V is a vector space. V is a vector space. That means what? Usual addition and scalar multiplication, this will be vector space, and it is called trivial vector space. It is called trivial vector space. It is called trivial. Remember this word, trivial vector space. Okay. So we'll take a theorem now. we'll take a theorem. Let V be a vector space. Vector space over a field K, U bar belongs to B and K belongs to A, then 1 0 into U bar is same as 0 bar. Second, K into 0 bar is same as 0 bar. Third one, minus 1 into U bar is same as minus U bar. And fourth one, K into U bar is equal to 0 bar. Then either K is equal to 0 or U bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay, so we'll prove this one. We'll prove this one. Okay, so first one, proof of the first one. Okay, what you have to prove? 0 into U bar is same as 0 bar. This is a 0 vector. Scalar into vector is a vector. Scalar into vector is a vector. Okay, so this is what scalar into vector is also a vector. Okay, so 0 into U bar is same as 0 bar, not a 0. Okay, so we have to prove this one. Okay, so 0 into U bar. I can write this as what? 0 plus 0 U bar. I can write this as 0. Because V is a vector space, that means we satisfy all the axioms. So that we will apply that one now. So this is what? 0 into U bar, 0 U bar plus 0 U bar. Okay, 0 U bar. Okay. So now it has a negative vector. I can add the negative vector on the both sides. So 0 U bar plus minus 0 into U bar is equal to 0 into U bar plus 0 into U bar. I can write this. Okay, plus minus 0 into U bar. Okay, so this is the negative vector of this one. So it will be the 0 bar. So this is what? 0 bar. 0 into U bar plus 0 bar. So this is what? 0 bar. 0 bar plus U bar is U bar. So this is 0 into U bar. So therefore 0 into U bar is same as 0 bar. Okay, so we are through. Okay, so this is U bar plus minus U bar. U bar plus minus U bar, 0 bar. Okay, associated to the whole here. So we have taken the addition of this last two. Okay, so this will be 0 bar. So your sixth axiom is what? Fifth axiom is what? 0 plus U bar is U bar. So this U bar, 0 into U bar. Okay, so we did this one. Now what here? K U bar, K 0 bar. K 0 bar. This is same as what? K 0 bar plus 0 bar. I want to prove this is 0 bar. Okay, so same thing here now. K 0 bar is equal to K 0 bar plus K 0 bar. I can add negative vector. Okay, so minus K 0 bar. K 0 bar plus K 0 bar plus minus K 0 bar. This is the negative vector of this one. Whatever it may be, negative vector. So this is U bar plus minus U bar. U bar plus minus U bar, 0 bar. This is again U bar plus minus U bar. So this is 0 bar. So this is K U bar. K is 0 bar. Okay. So by 0 bar plus U bar is U bar. So this is what? 0 bar is equal to K 0 bar. So K 0 bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. So we did the second one also. Now third one. So then this is what? U bar plus V bar is 0 bar. Means what? U bar is same as minus U bar, or V bar is same as minus U bar. Note that this. Okay, because it is a negative vector. This is the negative vector. Okay, so we want to prove that minus 1 into U bar is same as U bar. So what we'll do? We'll write this is minus 1 into U bar plus U bar. Okay, so we'll prove this is 0 bar. We'll prove this is 0 bar. Then U bar is the negative vector of this one, or this one is the negative vector of this one. Okay, so this is what then I can take the common, because what? This is what? K into U bar plus L into U bar. Okay, so I'll write this as, not write this. minus 1 into u bar plus 1 into u bar, because u bar is nothing but by axiom 10 u bar is nothing but 1 into u bar. So I'll take now this is minus 1 plus 1 u bar. You can apply the axioms 7, 8, 9 something like this. Okay, so this is your axiom 8 now. Okay, so I will apply axiom 8 here. Now this is what 0 into u bar. So just you have seen that 0 into u bar is same as 0 bar. Okay, 0 bar. So therefore minus 1 into u bar is same as minus u bar. Minus u bar. So we are through. So k into u bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay, so this is the proof of the result. Okay, last one, k into 0. If k is equal to 0, if k is equal to 0, then 0 into u bar is same as 0 bar. Okay, so if k is equal to 0, then k into u bar is 0 bar. This is okay. So now if k not equal to 0, if k not equal to 0, then 1 by k exist. Then 1 by k exist. Okay, so 1 by k into k u bar is same as 1 by k into 0 bar. I have multiplied by 1 by k on both sides. Now this is what your ninth axiom is, what 1 by k into k u bar, because V is a vector space, it satisfies all the 10 axioms. Okay, so we apply this ninth axiom is what L into k into L, or L into k u bar is same as k L u bar, something like this. Okay, so now 1 upon k is a k now. Okay, so this is 0 bar. So this is what then 1 into u bar is same as 0 bar. So u bar is same as 0 bar. Okay, so that means what k u bar is equal to 0. Either k is equal to 0 or u bar is equal to 0 bar. This we have proved. Okay, let example, let P is equal to R3. R3 means that there are triple. Okay, 3 tuples suppose. Define x y z plus x prime y prime z prime. That means u bar is x y z, v bar is x prime y prime z prime. Okay, so u bar plus v bar is defined here. So this is, they have defined this. It is usual addition. Usual addition is given to you, and this is k x y z is same as k x y z. So this is not usual. This is not usual. Okay, so verify, determine whether V is a vector space. V is a vector space. Determine whether V is a vector space, or is V is a vector space over R. Vector space over R. So if it is not mentioned over R, we have to assume that it is over R. Okay. If field is not given, you have to take a field as set of the real number. Okay. Solution. Given that V is equal to R3 and U bar plus V bar is equal to this. Okay, K U bar is equal to this. Okay, so these two operations are defined. To form the vector space, you need these two operations: scalar multiplication and vector addition. Okay, as addition is usual, so therefore we have 1 U bar plus V bar belongs to V, K U bar belongs to V, u bar plus v bar is equal to v bar plus u bar, because this is R3. Next, u bar plus v bar plus w bar is equal to u bar plus v bar plus w bar. Next, 0 bar is equal to 0 0 0 belong to V. Minus u bar is equal to minus x minus y minus z belongs to V. Minus x minus belongs to V. No problem for this one. Okay. So all these 6 axioms are good here. Only we have to check for the scalar multiplication. Okay. So for the scalar multiplication, k into u bar plus v bar. So k into u bar plus v bar. So this is what? X plus x prime, y plus y prime, z plus z prime, z plus z prime. Okay. So this you have to multiply by only the first component. So this is what? Kx plus kx prime, y plus y prime, z plus z prime. So I can write this is what? Kx y z plus kx prime y prime z prime, y prime z prime. Now this is same as what? K u bar plus k v bar. Okay. So k u bar plus k v bar is equal to this. So this is what. Now next one, 8th one. Okay. So k plus l u bar. So this is same as what? K plus l x y z. K plus l x y z. So this is what then? Kx plus ly lx y z. So now this is not same as k u bar plus l u bar, because this is not 2 2 now. You cannot separate this. Okay, you cannot separate this. This is not same as k u bar plus l u bar, because here there is no y y now. You cannot separate this, because what? This is twice y. This should be the twice y. This should be the twice z. Okay, because k u bar plus k l u bar will be what then? Kx yz, and l u bar is what? Kl x yz. If you take the addition of that one, addition, there should be the twice y twice z. So this is not same as. So therefore what? V is not a vector space. V is not a vector space. Directly you can say V is not a vector space. Okay. Remember this what? So this is what here. It is multiplied to only the first component, not for the second component, third component. So that means this is not a vector space. Here what? The 8 axioms fail. 8 axioms fail here. Okay. We'll take the next one. Suppose V is equal to R3. V is equal to R3. U bar is equal to x, y, z. X, y, z. V bar is equal to x prime, y prime, z prime. This is the next example. K belongs to R. K belongs to R. Define U bar plus V bar is equal to x plus x prime, y plus y prime, z plus z prime. K U bar is equal to 0 0 0. Each V is a vector space. Each V is a vector space. This is your problem. This is your problem. Okay. Now see a solution. Given that V is equal to this and this. Okay. So now your addition is usual, but the multiplication is not usual. Okay. Okay. Since 1 into U bar is same as 0 0 0 is not same as U bar. Is not same as U bar. So if addition is usual, Don't go for the first six. Okay, go from the last one now. Okay, so if 1 into u bar, check 1 into u bar. If 1 into u bar is u bar, then you have to check for the ninth one, eighth one, and seventh one. Okay, okay, so not u bar. So therefore, what V is not a vector space. Only one line answer is not a vector space. Okay, one line answer. Next. So if see, this is the depend on the operation now. Suppose next example, V is equal to R3, X, Y, these are same. K into U bar, this operation is defined twice K, X, twice K, Y, twice K, Z, twice K, Z. So if you multiply by K, it is what? Twice K, twice K, twice K. Okay, how they define, this is very important here. So is V is the vector space. Is V is vector space. Now addition is usual. Go for the second. Okay. Solution given that all the things. Okay. Check for 1 into U bar. 1 into U bar is what? Twice X, twice Y, twice Z. This is not same as U bar. This is not same as U bar. So therefore V is not a vector space. Vector space. This is very important now here. Okay. So whatever the operation, it is very important here. Okay. Now suppose next example, suppose V is equal to R3 and your operations are defined like this, plus 1, Y plus Y prime plus 1, Z plus Z prime plus 1, K into XY. Okay, so only this is R2 part. This is R2. So Z is not there. Okay, so Z is not there. For R2 now, this is what? Kx, Ky. Okay, so multiplication is a scalar. There it do not mean that all the four axioms are the last four axioms are good. Okay, because addition is not a usual now. Addition is not usual. Okay, so if the addition is not usual and the scalar multiplication like this is provided to you. Okay, so what we will do, so for 0 bar, okay, whether 0 bar, no, not for 0 bar will exist. Okay, so okay, so see here, u bar plus v bar, this is exist, u bar plus v bar. Okay, 1, u bar plus v bar belongs to V, K into u bar belongs to V. The second one is also hold, no problem for this one. Directly you can write this one, because what, there are three components and they are real. Sum of the real number is real number, because 1 is real number. Sum of the 3 real number is a real number, no problem for this one. Here also is a real. So both the 1 and 2 are put here. Okay, so now this is what, u bar plus v bar is equal to v bar plus u bar, because what, addition is a systematic. X plus x prime, y plus y prime there. 1 is there, I can write x prime plus x, y prime. This is also hold. Okay, so this fourth is also hold for this one. What, w bar is equal to u bar plus v bar plus w bar. This is also hold. Okay, so now for 0 bar here, 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. If you take 0 bar as 1 1. Oh, my 1 1. 0 bar is 1 1 now. Is it 1 1? No, minus 1 minus 1. See here. See. U bar plus 0 bar. U bar plus 0 bar is what then? U bar plus 0 bar. See. U bar plus 0 bar is what? X plus 1. X plus minus 1 plus 1. Y plus minus 1 plus 1. Right? So now minus 1 plus 1 is 0. X plus 0 is 0. So this is what? Xy. This is xy. And this is same as u bar. Right? Your 0 bar is minus 1 minus 1. This is also exist. Okay? So now the sixth one. Minus u bar is same as what? Minus u bar is same as minus x minus y. Minus x minus y. Oh, is it minus x minus y? No. So minus u bar is same as. So if you add this, you should get minus 1 minus 1. You should get minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So minus x minus 2 minus y minus 2. Okay. So if you define like this, minus u bar minus c, u bar plus minus u bar. So your u bar is what? Your u bar is x y. Okay. So x plus minus x minus 2 plus 1 you have to add. Plus 1 you have to add. Okay. X plus x prime plus 1. Okay. So y plus y plus your y prime is what? Minus y minus 2 is y prime. And plus 1 you have to do this. Plus 1. Okay. So what is this then? X get cancelled. This is minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 1 minus 1. And this is your 0 vector. 0 bar. Okay. So negative element is also exist. Okay. So this is belongs to V. So minus u bar belongs to V. This is your minus u bar. This is it. So minus negative element of the is also exist here. Okay. So next we'll do for k into u bar plus v bar now. K into u bar plus v bar is what then? This is what k into u bar plus v bar is what? X plus x prime plus 1, y plus y prime plus 1. Okay. Now this is what then? Kx plus kx prime plus k, ky plus ky prime plus k plus k. So if we separate this, okay, so what is that? K u bar plus k v bar now. So k u bar plus k v bar is what? This is what then? K u bar plus k, kx ky plus kx prime ky prime, right? And you have to add this one. How to take the addition? This is what? Kx plus kx prime plus 1 plus 1. And this is what then? Ky plus ky prime plus 1 plus 1. How to take the addition? Now this is what? K u bar, k into u bar plus v bar is what here? K is there. But here what? K u bar plus k v bar, 1 is there. There is not k. So that means what? K u bar plus v bar is not equal to k u bar k v bar. Is not equal to k v bar. Therefore, V is not a vector space. Therefore, V is not a vector space. Just you have to write full form. Vector space. V is not a vector space. You can check for the next one whether they are hold or not. Okay. So what is the question? Does V is the vector space? Is V the vector space? If one of the criteria is failed, then that will be not a vector space. Okay. So this criteria fail here, so it is not a vector space. You can check the for your knowledge. You can check whether that k plus l u bar is same as k u bar, which example you can check that. Okay. Whether that last three exams are hold or not. Okay. So you check yourself. Okay. According to me, the 1 into u bar is same as u bar. This is hold. Okay. You have to check for the next. Okay. I think the 8 will not be hold for, because this is for addition. Okay. 8 will not be hold. Okay. 9 and 10 will be hold. Okay. Because there is only the scalar multiplication. Now suppose V is equal to, next example, A is equal to A1 1B. Your matrices are like this. This diagonal is 1 1. Only I have to change this A and B only. Okay. So is not a vector space with respect to usual addition and scalar multiplication. Visual addition and scalar multiplication. Why? Because what? Here, if you take the usual addition, your A is what? A1, 1B. Okay? And your B is what? So we'll take A1, B1. Okay? A2, 1, 1, B2. Okay? What is your addition then? A plus B will be what then? A1 plus A2. This will be 2 now. B1 plus B2. Right? So this is do not belongs to V now. Because here what? There is 2 now. Okay? Even though K into A, this is also not hold. K A1. This will be the K now. Okay? So this will be the K. This is what? K B1. K B1. This is also not belongs to V. Because this is K now. It should be the 1 1. So both the exams are hold here. Okay? So therefore it is not a vector space. Okay, we'll take the next example. Let V is equal to 1x. X belongs to R. Okay. So for U bar is equal to 1x, V bar is equal to 1y. Define belongs to V. Define U bar plus V bar 1x plus y, and K into U bar is 1 kx. 1 kx. Show that V is a vector space. V is a vector space. Okay. Solution. You have to show that this is a vector space. So, given that this V is equal to this and this. Okay. So 1 U bar plus V bar is equal to 1 x plus y. Okay. So now see here how the elements of V are. First component must be the 1 and the second component must be the real number. This is the condition. So here U bar plus V bar, your first component is 1, second component is x plus y. So it should be the real number. Whatever it may be, it should be the real number. Okay. X is real number, y is the real number. Because U bar and V bar are the vectors from V. X is real number and y is real number. X plus y is the real number. Okay. So that means this is belongs to V. No problem for this one. Second, K into U bar is 7 what? 1 into Kx. Your K is a real number. Okay. So now see K into U bar. First component is 1. K is real number. X is real number. Product of the two real number is a real number. So this is Kx is a real number. Your second component is a real number. Your first component is 1. So this is a vector from V. So first two axioms are hold. Okay. Now next we will go for the third one. U bar plus V bar is 7 what? X plus y. This is 7 1 y plus x, and this is 7 V bar plus U bar. Okay. So automatically this is also hold. Just you directly write this W bar. So U bar plus V bar plus W bar, where W bar is equal to 1 Z. Z belongs to R. Okay. This is what, no problem for this one. Now you have to define a 0 bar now. You have to define a 0 bar, and that should be in V. Okay. So 0 bar 1 0. Okay. 0 bar is 1 0. You can find this. Suppose what? If you want to find this, okay. So let U bar plus V bar is equal to U bar. Right. So U bar is equal to V bar. Okay. So that means what here? So this is what u bar plus v bar, 1x plus y is equal to 1x now, 1x. Okay, so this implies that x plus y is equal to x. Okay, so this implies that y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So therefore what, v bar is equal to what then? V bar is equal to 1 0. Okay, so v bar is equal to 1. V bar is equal to what? 1y. Okay, so y will be 0. Okay, so therefore what, your 0 bar is equal to 1 0. Belongs to v. This is exist. 0 bar is exist because we get the solution 1 0. We get 0. 1 1 is same now here. Y 0, y 0. That means what, y 0. V bar is equal to what, 1 0. It is belongs to v. Okay, 0 bar is exist. Next, we'll find a negative element now. For this is what, sixth one, u bar plus v bar is equal to 1 0 now. Is equal to 1 0. You have to find v bar. You have to prove that this v bar is exist. So this is what this is same as 1 x plus y 1 0. Okay, so v bar is equal to 1 y. Okay. So this 1 1 is same. That means x plus y is equal to 0. Therefore y is 0. Oh, y is equal to minus x now. Y is equal to minus x. That means v bar is equal to what? 1 minus x. V bar is equal to what? 1 minus x. Is it belongs to v? Is it belongs to v? The first component is 1 and second component must be the real number. Your x is real number. Minus x is real number. So this is belongs to v. And this is what? Your negative element. U bar plus v bar identity. This is 0 bar. This is what? This is 0 bar. Right? So that means what? Negative element is exist. 1 minus x. Instead of the finding trial and error, you can find with the help of the equation also. Your v bar is what? 1 minus x, and that is belongs to v. You have to show that the negative element exists. Next, all these 6 criteria hold here. Okay, so we'll go for the next one, the 7th one. What that? K into u bar plus v bar. U bar plus v bar. Okay, so k into your u bar plus v bar is what? 1x plus y. 1x plus y is your work. U bar plus v bar. Now k into vector now. K into vector is what? Just you have to multiply to the second component only. This is 1. This is 1. I can write this is kx plus ky. You have to multiply by k to x plus y. K into x plus y is kx plus ky because all three are the real number. Okay, I can separate this. 1 kx plus 1 ky. Now this is not because what? The addition is what here? 1 plus 1 is 1 is now. Addition is 1 plus 1 is 1 now here. Okay, so I have defined this. I have to take the 1 plus 1 is 1, whatever it may be. Okay, so now this is what your k u bar plus k v bar, because what? K u bar is what? 1 into kx, 1 into kx. So k v bar. Okay, so this is your k u bar plus v bar is equal to k u bar. So this is whole form. Okay, now this is what? The 7th one. This is 8th one now. 8th one. K plus l u bar. K plus l u bar. See, k plus 1. This is what? 1 k plus l x. K plus l x. So this is same as what? 1 kx plus lx. So this is same as 1 kx plus 1 lx. And this is what? Kx. This is what? K u bar. This is same as 1 kx. Means what? K u bar. 1 lx means what? L u bar. So this is what? K plus L u bar is same as K u bar plus L u bar. Okay. So 8th one is exist. Then 9th one now. Second last. K into L u bar. U bar. So this is what? L 1 okay. K into 1 L x. You have multiplied by first L. Now you have to multiply by K now. So this is what? k into lx. So this is 1 k l x, because what associative hold for the real number. So this is what k l, this is k l u bar, k l u bar. Okay, this is what. Now the last one, 1 into u bar is same as what 1 x, 1 in 1 x. So 1x is 1 now, is x now. Okay, 1 into u bar is same as 1x, but u bar is what 1x now. So this is u bar. Okay, so final answer should be what, from first to 10th V is a vector space. V is the vector space. Okay, so we did this. So very interesting. Vector space is very interesting now here. Okay, because if you know all the 10 axioms, okay, in your mind, if you know all, if you have all the 10 axioms in your mind, so easily you can prove the vector space. So first what you have to remember, all these 10 axioms one by one. Okay, now we'll take the next one. Same thing like this, same thing now. V is equal to R2 now. V is equal to R2. U is equal to XY. V is equal to X prime, Y prime belongs to R2. K belongs to R. Define. U plus V is equal to X prime, Y prime. That means sum, you have to take the product of the first component, product of the second component. Okay, now k u bar, this is same what kx ky, kx ky. Okay, so now here what, addition is not usual, but the multiplication is usual. But multiplication usual does not imply that all the 10. Okay, addition is exist, then the first 6 axioms are old. That is okay. Okay, so for multiplication exist, that means the last 4 will be hold, that do not. Okay, because addition, because what, the last 2 will be hold, but no, the 7th and 8 will not be hold, because there is a sum, and sum is not usual. Okay, so now sum is what here. So for this what, okay, solution, we'll go one by one. Okay, so first u bar plus v bar, this is belong to B, because there are two components, only. Okay, so that is hold. Second what, k into u bar, again there is a this is belong to B, because there are two components. Okay, and both the components are real, because k, x, y, they are the real. Okay, so first two hold, no problem for first two. Okay, so now this is what, third one is what, u bar plus v bar is same as v bar plus u bar, this is also hold. Okay, and this is third one. Fourth one, this is what, u bar plus v bar plus w bar is same as u bar plus v bar plus w bar, this is also hold, no problem for this one. Okay, we'll go for the identity now. Okay, so u bar plus v bar is equal to u bar. Okay, if v bar is exist, then we are through. So u bar plus v bar is what, x prime, y prime is equal to, your u bar is what, x y now. So this means now x prime is equal to x, y prime is equal to y. So x prime is equal to 1, y prime is equal to 1. Okay, so v bar is equal to 1, and this is belongs to B. Okay, there are two components, both are the real. So this is exist. That means 0 bar is exist. Okay, so this is what, 0 bar is equal to v bar is equal to 1. So 0 bar is exist. We'll see for negative element now. Okay, so for negative element, so this is what, u bar plus v bar is equal to 0 bar. So 0 bar means what, 1. Okay, so 0 bar is 1, that was right. Okay, So 0 bar that we will write. Okay. So this is what 1 1. Okay, no problem for this is 1 1. We want to check whether V bar is exist or not. We want to check V bar. Okay. So we'll check only whether it has a solution or not. Okay. So what is that then? This is what x x prime y y prime x x prime y y prime is equal to 1 1 is equal to 1 1. That means what? X x prime is equal to 1, y y prime is equal to 1, y y prime is equal to 1. So x prime is equal to 1 upon x, y prime is equal to 1 upon y. If x not equal to 0, y not equal to 0. That means what? Conditionally it is exist. So that means what here? 0 0 has no negative element. Has no negative element. Okay. So therefore V is not a vector space. Vector space. Okay. Because a single element actually this is not hold. So conditionally this is exist. Right? This is exist if exist. Because we don't want conditionally. Right? So this is do not exist for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So that means what here x prime y prime are not exist. Right? You can write also here what instead of this, if you don't want to write this, so what here? So x prime y prime do not exist if x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. Right? So if x is equal to 0, then x prime do not exist. Y is equal to 0, then y prime do not exist. One of them do not exist, then what? Therefore V is not a vector space. That means what here? Negative element do not exist. Okay. So V is not a vector space. Okay. Now the problem is over now here. See here what? If addition is not usual or multiplication is not usual, right? Then problem arises now here. So this is not a vector space. You can check for your convenience because your problem is what? Okay. So we'll take this. V is equal to, this is very important now, ABCD. Such that determinant A not equal to 0 with usual addition and scalar multiplication. Each V is a vector space. Each V is a vector space. Okay, solution. Given that. Now determinant not equal to 0. Okay. So now what about A plus B? Let A is equal to AB belongs to B. AB belongs to B. This implies that determinant A not equal to 0, determinant B not equal to 0. Right? What? So let A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So B is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So determinant of A is 1, determinant of B is minus 1. Okay. So this implies that AB belongs to B. Because what? Determinant is not 0. They belong to B. Okay. So we'll take A plus B now. A plus B. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Determinant of A plus B is equal to 0. So this implies that A plus B do not belong to B. Do not belong to B. So therefore what? AB belongs to B implies that A plus B do not belong to B. Therefore B is not a vector space. is not a vector space. Very simple, one line answer. Even though if determinant is equal to 0, if there is determinant is equal to 0, that is also not a vector space. Okay, so if determinant not equal to 0 there, if determinant A is equal to 0, there are the matrices, determinant A is equal to 0, determinant B is 0, but determinant of A plus B is not equal to 0, right? So that means what, if determinant A is equal to 0 is there, that is also not a vector space. Okay, so now see here, V is equal to R2, just by observation we can do this. U is equal to XY, V is equal to X prime Y prime, your U plus V is equal to X plus X prime, Y plus Y prime, your K U bar is same as what? Kx 0. These operations are given to you, so you have to check whether this is a vector space or not. Okay, now see here what, addition is usual, the first 6 are odd, but see here 1 into U bar, 1 into U bar is what? X0. This is not same as U bar, so therefore what, V is not a vector space. V is not a vector space. Okay. So I hope that you understand what do you mean by a vector space. Okay. Now we stop here. Thank you.